This document is intended to be shared out to a school community to help them self-organise carpooling, biking or walking routes to school. Now, it's important that once you've taken a copy of this, you rename it with your school name and you file it where you want it to be inside your Google Drive. Then I would suggest that you alter these instructions to suit your school context. One of the things that I think might be a consideration is to ensure that your families don't think that you or your school is organising how people are getting to school, and also that you cover off the privacy implications for parents who choose to put their details into this sheet. So the way that the intention behind this document is that it would be published live on the internet and shared to your families, and those parents that want to share and self-organise different ways of getting to school. So, for example, here's a carpool option. They would put their name in here, and they would put their probably just their street name, so that people can locate them, and then their number. Okay, so the reason for that is so that then others in your community can contact them and organise, in this case, carpooling. So a parent may put in here, I can take, I don't know, 5 children to school. Okay, so I've set this up so that it's got a drop down for carpooling, biking together, walking together, or busing together. And I've put it, I've made a table here so that you might choose to put in particular suburbs for your school so that you don't get a mixture of different suburbs and people having to look through the whole thing. And that may just speed up the process of people identifying whether they can help others get to school and facilitate them contacting each other. So just bear in mind that the key thing with this is covering off that the school is not responsible for the privacy implications of this. Once you're happy with your template, you've customized the instructions to suit your school, go to Share, and then you need to go to General Access, change it from Restricted to anyone with the link, make it so that anyone with the link can edit the document. Then what you do is you take a copy of that link and you send it out to your community. I would recommend that you share it to your community via your school messaging system rather than putting it live on your website, just so that you can maintain the link within your school community. And that's it.